Just going to show you what I'm going to be doing here. We're just my second day here. And we primed and textured this ceiling. And that's the guy who has put all of the magic together around here. And that is my ceiling. That we have blasted. That's right. Be careful. I'll have to edit that out. We're just going to be going on YouTube with this here.
YouTube.
Oh yeah. I'm going to be famous.
Famous, yeah.
Famous.
Second. Famous.
Oh, that looks so pretty, boy. And that's it. Stay tuned for the next installment.
You got too much time on your hands, dude.